Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. That is annoying. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use glow sticks and emotes and other like items on dance karaoke. So it took me a while to figure this out. I don't know why, because I think it was just because I was tired and I didn't know how to figure it out. So go to menu here and select the game emotes and select whichever one you want for dancing. I'll just use this helicopter one because it's very fun. Then go to menu, and if you want to use something, just click it. It's not going to show up. You'll have to click it again for it to show up like that. It works for all of the items, so you have to click it again for it to show up on your hand. You can also leave the game emotes to be there and place it on the left side if you'd like to, but I don't really like having it opened. Go to menu, and then you're just going to select this item. If you want to add text, select it. Let me just stop emoting, or how do I okay. And then here to edit the text, you can select it, and then you can type whatever you want. Be happy, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.